Whoa, what up? What's happening? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High UNC Blue Chill patent. That's a lot. Welcome to the app. Okay, so looking at the box, you see you have the black box, you got the red logos all around the box. It's a typical Air Jordan 1 box. So we ain't gonna go all around the box, you know. Matter of fact, I'll spin it around, let y'all see it. You know what it is. So what we have is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in Obsidian, Blue Chill, and White. Now these retail for 160 bucks. So go figure. It comes wrapped with the white paper, man. But enough of that, man. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC Blue Chill patent. Now, if y'all been following the channel, man, y'all already know I'm not a fan of Air Jordan 1s. I feel like it ain't nothing but an Air Force One or a Nike SB. I don't understand what all the hype is about them, but it is what it is, man. Now, finally, I see a colorway. Now, it's not too often where I see a colorway that I like. So finally, I see this colorway on the internet. I'm like, yeah, I'm feeling this. I got to have these. And lo and behold, this is a women's release. But let's look at the shoe, man. Under the bottom, you see you got the UNC blue outsole. You see the uppers covered in patent leather. You got the navy blue. You got the UNC blue. There's your tongue with the Nike Air logo. Here's your medial side. Here's your back. I think these things are dope, man. I'm feeling these things, man. I really wanted these, but hey, that's the life of being a Jordan fan. Now here's a look at the shoe tree on the inside, and here's your insole on the inside. You heard me? So look, now these things sold out quick. They're kind of hard to get. Resale on these is not too bad. Not like I thought it'd be. So here's a look at the other shoe. There's the Air Jordan Wings logo. I mean, I think this shoe is dope, man. I'm feeling it. There's a look at the toe box from the top. And here's the tongue again. See the Nike Air on the tongue. There's a closer look for you. Medial side. And there's the back. Like I said, man, I was feeling these, man. I was hyped up, man. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna rock these for Mardi Gras, whatever, you hear me? Like I said, came out in women's sizes. Now these come up to a women's 14, but I'm a men's 14. So when I saw that, I knew they wasn't gonna drop it in a women's 15 and a half, because that's what I would need. But me wearing a 14, so go ahead and figure with that, man, you know. So I've been out of the running for these shoes. So we had to lay up there and get us a couple of pairs, you know what I'm saying, and see what they do. You feel me? But overall, man, I think it's a dope shoe. It's fire, man. I'm feeling it. I wanted to get me a pair for myself, but unfortunately, they didn't come in the right sizes. You know what I'm saying? This is a women's release, so everybody that's within the range of a women's 14, go ahead and get you a pair, man. You'll be lucky to get you a pair. And here's a better look at the shoe, man. I'm disappointed, really. Because seeing these in hand, man, these things are clean, man. You know what I mean? So you might feel a little jealousy in my voice or whatever, or a little hate. Because I am hating, I ain't lying. I'm not a hater, man, but I got to hate on these, man. How in the hell can you drop a UNC colorway, man, and not drop it for men, man? You know what I mean? Like, come on, man. What's going on, man? Like, some of the decisions Jordan Brand makes, man, I don't understand it, man. But it is what it is, man. You hear me? But I think it's overall a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. Super dope. These things are limited. You know, I know I'm a little late with the review, but I finally got my hands on a couple of pairs, so That was my look at the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG UNC Blue Chill patent. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Subscribe to this channel, share a video, and I'ma holler back.